Gusto mo? Ay! Soda pop. My little soda pop. Ding dong, eat it up, eat it well and mix it up. Drinks. Yo. Ay, kala ko. Hahaha. Send it. What? Oh, what the fuck did I do? What? Hey! Hey! Why did I open it? I'm bobo. Hey! How do I lock the doors? Oh, no, 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 no! Isara mo yan! Ay! Ay! Mali! Mali! Sir! 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 Ah! Bobo! Ay! You know? My neighbors are gonna fucking kill me tomorrow. Pinasag niya na yung windows spray. Oh no, I am so fucking scared.
Yo, pick up the phone. What's up? What's up?
What's up? This is Mark. And welcome sa ating panibagong series where we play random games and random horror games, actually. And we are here sa Fears to Fathom. So this is a horror game, an episodic horror game na kung saan eto may iba't ibang episode like this one. So matagal na tong game na to actually, pero ngayon lang siya ngayon ko lang siya laruin kasi ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng laptop na kayang mag-record and maglaro. So yeah, so itong tatlong episode na to, this is paid, okay? Itong Home Alone lang ang free. So para siyang demo, what do you call it? Basta yun. So yeah, let's get on with it, people. Naghang ba? Hindi ko alam. Ayan. Fears to Fathom, Episode 1. Yon. Home Alone. Yeah, July 12. Yo, is this going to be scary? Like some really spooky shit? I didn't want to put this up on Reddit just for it to be called a piece of fiction. I don't even know where to start. Nabubulol ako. I'm so sorry, guys. Excuse my lack of good storytelling skills. That was my point. I guess I'll just start. Yeah. Proceed! What is it about? What's going on? Are you being stalked, dude? It was the middle of the summer. Midsummer. My parents had left for that weekend due to a work trip, which meant I was all by myself for the weekend. Also, I feel like I do have to mention that my sleep schedule was really messed up around this time. I would sleep and get up just about any time of the day, though I did plan on fixing that. Alright. Let's get on with it then. Come on, dude. Alarm! Alarm, shut the fuck up. Eat after a nap that evening. Taas ng sensitivity ko, hindi, sakto lang. What do you have here? Ano to? Kajero. Radyo. This is John the Baptist and Jesus Christ in the baptism at the Jordan River. Yan. Yung. We work. I did have homework that night, but I was too hungry to do it right after waking up. Sure, get some food, yo. Oh shit, it's an open exploration. 3 text messages. Hindi ko naman babaklit daw. We're being so paranoid. Mom, I'm 14. I think I'm gonna take a little nap. Probably gonna order some pizza, yes. No need to order anything. Already made you lasagna this morning. Check the fridge. Who's this? House cam, yeah, crap. Okay, call her. I can promise dude maybe have plans with Nat! Oh shit, it's Jillian's friend. Shout out to Nat. You know. It's their bedroom. Don't ask me, but I went straight to my parents' room. Where do they keep the condoms and shit, huh? Get some. You're gonna need it. Even though you're still 14 years old. Downstairs. May tumutunog. Ano yun? Whoa. Wag lang po ako ma-jump scare agad-agad. Sa mga kapitbahay po, no? I am so sorry. Oh. Shit. Where's the lasagna? Ah, fridge pala. Damn, you guys are packed, dude. Must be some... There's the lasagna. You have steaks, man. Maxicone. Parmigiano Reggiano. Mozzarella. I can't read. Ang labo. Mozzarella di bufala campana. And it's too small to read. Bio juice. Soda pop. My little soda pop. Food is too cold. Where's the microwave? Ito. Yan. Ding dong. Eat it up.
Eat it well and
Heat
mix
it
it
up.
up.
Eat it up and mix it up. Oh, I can go outside. Can I drive? I thought they went for a trip. Why did they leave their car behind? Did they commute? Huh? Bagal, bro. This is a nice house. Laki ng garahe. Okay, luto na. Meron pa silang small pool and they call this a lounge. Outdoor lounge for visitors. Siguro. Ding dong! Eat it up. Eat it up and mix it up. Food was nice and hot. I liked watching TV while I ate. Where's the TV then? Can I open this? I can. Why can't I just eat here, you know? Just sit down here. Nom 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 nom. Yan. Where's the TV? Ayun. Ayan. Uy, ang gulat. Oh shit. What's this? Okay. Nom 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 nom. Lang. We need drinks. Yo. Ay, kala ko sa TV pala. I'm so sorry. Gulat ako. Ina nun. What's here? What's ano to? Oh shit, it's the same shit. Okay. You guys got plenty of doors, you know. Boom! Boom! Nag-drip! Oh! So climactic. Uh-huh. Nabangga siya, still walking. Didn't call the police. Is this Silent Hill? Alo. Inaasab niya, bro. Busin mo na. This makes me hungry, dude. I was already feeling very sleepy after eating the food. Sana all may isang buong tray ng lasagna, bro. Just turn the shit off. I wish I had a fucking plate of lasagna right now. We're gonna have to call it off, man. Something just... But you gotta come to Jessica's tomorrow. Alright? Alright, Tay. This creeps me out. Balik mo na. Get some ice cream. Uy! Put it in the... Yeah, I remember I had to finish up on my homework. Yes. We're not locking doors. Ilock mo yung pinto niyo, bro. You're home alone. There could be burglars and... What the hell is going on? Nangyari sa'yo, Bon? Nag-epilepsy ka ba? I'm sorry, Miles. Gonna see you tomorrow. Sight. I can actually type. Hahaha. Send it. What? Hindi man ako sa mundo. Finish your homework, dude. Nasaan na ka dyan sa ano? For 14 years old, you'd be studying basic algebra, f of x, and I got done with the homework for the day in about a few hours. If that was me, it would take me like 15 minutes. You know? Don't stay up too late, you kids. I shouldn't get to hear from Mrs. Paula this time. Alright, I'm gonna sleep. Curious, read that. Achievement. Well, what's wrong with being curious, huh? I just slept. Lana, it's all black. 1:16 a.m. Oh shit. I got up to get some water. Do you have lights, dude? Yeah. I ain't scared of the dark, but in games, you know, it's gonna be fucked up when it's dark. Water, water. Pala, paano kami manghabol sa atin mamaya? The stairs are like bugged out. I know. Why does this happen? Yo, the sounds. It's creeping me out. Pag ako sumigaw, water, water. Okay. And then go upstairs. Oh my god, pag ako'y nahabol dito, ganito kabagal, ewan ko bro. Sit down. No? Okay. Yeah. One image. You there? Miles? Who's that? Oh shit! Oh, hell no. No, I'm going. Oh shit, I hide. We didn't lock the door. What do I do? Someone's breaking in. I can zoom in. Can they hear me? Can you hear me? Yo, I'm upstairs under the fucking bed, you know? If you wanna, you know, have some beer and shit. You wanna hang out, dude? Oh. Actually, I'm not a pussy, dude. Ang liwanag naman ng... Oh. The moon is bright. Hey, can I see him? No. I'm gonna throw this water bottle at him. If he tries to do something. Now I'm gonna open it. Balsamish said he's been creeping through them. Oh, what the fuck did I do? What? Hey! Hey! Why did I open it? I'm bobo. How can I lock the door? Hey! Oh shit. Alert NPCs. Oh no, now that he knows that I'm here. How do I lock the fucking doors? When did I even drink the fucking water, you know? I should have picked through here. Yo, motherfucker. He's gone, I think. I hope so. How do I lock the doors? Oh, no, 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 no! Isara mo yan! Yeah. Oh my god. Kinabahan ako dun, bro. Is he still there? Hello, mushi mushi. Koya. I looked back. And there, and he was gone. Oh shit. Takbo, gago! Inaw na lang mo. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna fucking hide. We don't have a gun. You have this water bottle I can throw. Ay! Ay! Mali! Mali! Sir! 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 Ah! Bobo! Ay! Inaw! Imagine if I fucking lock myself out. Come on. I have this water bottle, you know. This is deadly. Diba? Oh shit. You guys heard that? Pinasak niya yung windows, bro. No. Call the police. You kids lock every door and right in your shit. Oh no. No! I don't wanna open it. I'm so scared. I am just a 14-year-old boy. And shit. It's Paul at the door. Okay. You sure? Are you sure it's Paula? I mean, binasag niya yung pinto natin, bro. I mean, window. A window. No! Mommy! Ay! Ina mo! Oh no! My neighbors are gonna fucking kill me tomorrow. I just woke them up. It's 11:43 in the evening, guys. Okay, it's late. I have like old ass neighbors and shit, you know. Gising ko sila. Shit, I'm so sorry. So I will try not to go downstairs to answer Miss Paula kasi that door fucking opened and shit, you know. Whatever happens, I'm not going to open this. I am not going downstairs. Or if nothing happens, I will go downstairs, you know. I am an indecisive piece of shit. Or maybe I should. Maybe should just oh no, okay. Doesn't work. Okay. Guys, cool detail lang. When we go in our parents' room, we can actually see that fucking creep, you know. And siya is there. Fucking stupid ass bitch. Huh? Yeah! Walk away, fucker. You killed me 3 times already. Pinasag niya na yung window spray. Oh no, I am so fucking scared. Mama. Mama. Help me, mama. Let's turn the radio on. No? When that door opens, I am going back to my room. No. Ah. Hide. Mommy. Help me. I don't want to open the door. Because that fucking bitch is inside the house, you know? And before I get to the door, I am gonna die. There's the police. Okay. Is it good now? Are we like safe now? What? Survivor survived to the first episode. Of course, is he still here? Yun, there. He went through this fucking window. Binasag niya. Fucking bitch. You gotta pay for that, you know? Windows are not cheap. Ah! Miss Paula. I am so scared. You want water? I'm gonna drink water. Okay guys, so that was it. It was nice. Nakakatakot din, nakakagulat actually. Hindi siya ganun ka scary or pero kapag ikaw naglalaro, jump scare ka. You know. So, ayun lang muna guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you still support this channel. And ayun. Yun lang muna. And as always, until then, paalam. Scary.